Hey guys, it's Glen. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using a free school group to earn anywhere from a few $100s to a few $1,000s every single day. And stick around to the end because I've got a super special offer for you. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using it, and then I'll show you something that you can do exactly the same thing I'm doing. Or if you just want to skip ahead and what do you got, go for it. But watch the video so you know what you're doing. All right, so this is my free school group. This is called my Quick Start Setup Guide, or Affiliate Quick Start Setup Guide. And basically, it's just a classroom full of how-to guides, but also the affiliate programs that I personally promote. And I recommend promoting all these products. And yes, well, you have to buy them. Yeah, you have to buy a lot of them. Some of them you don't have to. Some of them are on affiliate platforms, but a lot of them have the affiliate platform built into the system that they're selling. And they all have really great commissions, and they're all top-selling programs. So that's just sort of the caveat on that. Now, another thing is school does cost, and it's a $99 per month subscription. But the great news is that there's a 2-week trial, so you can actually go get the trial and set all this up for yourself, put your affiliate programs in it, and then you would just drive traffic to your free school. And it's a really easy thing to do. How I do it is I use YouTube, this channel right here, and I use Instagram. And what I do is I basically tell people about affiliate marketing, and I say, hey, if you want to learn what I do, learn or comment how, and then they put in their email into my landing page, and they also get access to my free setup guide where they go through and they can set up whatever programs they want, and they go through and they join this program, and it's great, right? So this is how it all works. So this is the school. I start out with the first setup guide because I want to give them the very first thing that I promise them is a quick start setup guide. So I give that to them. Now in here, if you have a program that you promote, you could do the exact same thing. I have all the steps in here: how to set up your landing page system, how to import your funnel, how to create an email series, how to set up a tag, get your affiliate link, edit your emails, all that stuff, exactly what you need to be able to do as an affiliate program or as an affiliate, right? The great thing is that all these products in here are also affiliate links. So if you were to build this yourself, then you would say, get your free system account. And right here, you would put your affiliate link for System.io. Same thing with your affiliate link. Well, if it's a product that they need to be a member of the group or somehow then you would give them access there, and they could go join to basically be an affiliate for that program. Or they could use this for anything, because basically it's a very generic funnel. So that's one way. I've got training from guest coaches in here that also I've made deals with, so I can earn commissions on these. I can actually earn commissions on someone setting up a school like this because I showed them how, and I'm going to get into that a little bit later. I give free programs, so here's a completely free program right here that they can come into my free group, and if they don't want to spend any money at all, they can join this free group. What happens is they end up upgrading there, and then I start earning a monthly recurring income from here. This is an AI, how to do AI models. It's great. I sell at least one of these a day. How to earn with Amazon reviews. I sell at least one of these a day. So it's like, that's just a gold mine, having this free group. Now, there's the other thing is I don't have just one quick start setup guide. I have another one for a JV Zoo product. I have another one for DWA. I also give away, I sell this faceless content, so you can go in here and you could sell it as your own. For anyone who wants to start a profitable business, this is a legendary marketer, their AI business building. This is another program, Affiliate Mentor. So you could choose and pick whatever you wanted to do in your school group. But really, it's about just creating a free school group that has value because you're showing them how to do stuff, but it also has affiliate programs that they can join and learn even more. So kind of you're just like a go-between person. Now, here's the really special offer I have for you. Right here in this, when you join, and you can go join Affiliate Quick Start. You can see it right here. Just go to school and join. Now, you can import this entire thing as your own. It does cost. I have a charge on it, but you get to create your own school. You just click here and you would import my school, and you get all the course keys right here. And I'm not going to open it up because all the course keys are in there, and how you could just import them in. So what you do is you start a 2-week trial, and then come back here, go to the course keys to import, and you'd import those all in, and then you just go through each classroom because they'll all be in draft mode and figure out which ones you want to promote, or even you could reconfigure them to maybe you're promoting a different product. You could take the structure of it and basically repurpose it for your own structure, for your own affiliate programs. Or you just look at and see what I do. Maybe you belong to a few of the affiliate programs I belong to. You put your affiliate links in, and then maybe you've got some other ones that I don't have in there. Well, you could just model those first classrooms in order to make affiliate classrooms for those products as well. So this is exactly how you turn a free school group into a money-making machine. So it's really cool. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps go a long way. If you have any questions, the other thing too is if you go in here and buy my school setup, I'm going to be here to help you. We can get on a call. We can go through it. Any questions that you have, we make sure that you're setting it all up right. But basically, anywhere that there's a link in your school group that you set up, you turn that into your affiliate link. Or maybe there's an offer you want to put it out there because it's really good. It will have my affiliate link in it at first, but you want to make some money and then you can switch it out, or you keep it in draft mode until you're ready to. I just find having a lot of classrooms in there to begin with is really helpful for the students because it creates a lot of activity, and basically people are in there doing stuff and chatting, and then the community thing. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to be, what you do have to do to maintain this is you have to be putting up basically a daily accountability posts and you know, talking to your members and that kind of stuff. Really easy. Make sure that you look at someone's just put up a spam here. So these guys, so now here's a great example. So this guy Oscar just put this up. So I'm going to actually ban him, and oops, how do I do this? Go back. So I'm going to delete and ban the user, just like that. And you want to do this, you want to be careful, so you got to do this every day. There's another one in here. So actually this was good, guys. I didn't even see these until I was in here. So post was deleted, and there was someone else in here doing it too. E-commerce. Hey friends, if you're already in, either way, I'd love to connect. So this person is basically, again, trying to do self-promotion, and you don't want any self-promotion in your group. So you want to get rid of those people right away, because if they're just going to do it, this guy is really on the edge. So basically this is a bit of a self-promotion, but I'm letting it slide. But you also will get members saying, hey, this guy just messaged me, or this person just messaged me, and then you got to control that. And I would say have zero tolerance. Don't even give someone a second chance. Just have zero tolerance. There's billions of people on social media that you can go to, and if people can't figure out this, please report any self-promotion or stop doing it, then if they can't read that thing, then you don't want them in the group, because all they're doing is joining the group in order to promote themselves. All right, guys, that's it. Make sure you hit subscribe, and if you want to get this, just go to the Affiliate Quick Start Setup Guide, go to the classroom, check out all my classes, but this is the one you want to get if you want to import my school as your own, and you'll get all those class keys, so you'll be able to put all these in. Now, one caveat is these two ones are by Zach. You would have to join AI Cash Machines and then talk to Zach, and if he says yep, go for it, you can do like Glen does and put those in. Then I can give you those two keys, but you'd have to message me, and we'll talk about it. And I would just confirm with Zach, because Zach allowed me to put these in my school group because I work with him. So those are the only two that you wouldn't get access to. All right, guys, that's it. Make sure you hit subscribe. I know I said that a bunch of times, but it really helps the YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one. All right, guys, cheers.